Hi guys, so today we have Shreya Bhutani who joined our GS Prime program, and in spite of having multiple attempts or like 6 attempts, she managed to clear most of the rounds in PwC India, Deloitte USI.
Yes, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. So, yes, I, like every CA fresher, I was also very confused, like which domain to choose. Now that we are a fresher and we have qualified as a chartered accountant and we have studied a lot, now we don't have this clarity in our mind, like which domain to choose, where to go, and we have no proper guidance. So, just while I was scrolling my LinkedIn, I got to know about GS Ghanshyam. The way he talked to me and the way he responded to all my queries, I was pretty sure and clear that he'll be able to guide me in the right direction. So, when I joined GS Prime, I was very confused as to whether I've chosen the correct mentorship program or not. But truly today, it is totally worth it. I'm very happy with the efforts that Sir puts in. And yes, I can surely assure you that your money will not be wasted. I initially helped with everything with my resume building. Since the number of vacancies in the market is less as compared to previous years, and yes, the number of attempts that I have taken is also more, which is initially a very big criteria for shortlisting. Still, I managed to bag offer letters from PwC Internal Audit, PwC Technology Risk Assurance, and Deloitte USI Stat Audit, Accenture, FP&A, which are like the dream companies that I always wanted to join. Resume building, Naukri profile, and my LinkedIn updation. Sir helped me with everything. He guided me. He gave me so many formats and everything. Like he took, he gave me guidance like an elder brother. You can call him at any time. He'll pick your call. He'll take your questions, and he never gets annoyed. He will be there for you. He'll guide you what to do, what not to do. Actually, internal audit was a profile that I had never done. And truly, it's because of Sir efforts that I could bag these offers today. Because he gives me so much, he gave me so much of practical knowledge about internal audit that today I could present myself so well in front of the interviewer. Not just the technical knowledge, he also helped me with the behavioral questions and the case studies, which helped me pass on my and clear my director round and my HR interviews, which are really very important, at which can be an elimination step also. He helped me with the Versant test also. He gave me videos and he took my mock interviews. He also pinpointed where I was going wrong. He used to scold me when I was not studying. So he like put in so much efforts, and the amount of efforts he takes in with his every mentee that enrolls into it, that these efforts are really worth it. Compared to the amount that he charges for it, the efforts that he put in it are really commendable. So yes, I can assure you that his efforts are worth. Have been times when I have called sir so many times that मेरा offer letter नहीं आ रहा है, sir मेरा ये नहीं हो रहा है. But sir used to tell me, wait, it will be there, it will be there, you will go through it. He used to take my n number of mock interviews, which have really helped me. In fact, he doesn't only work on your technical skills, he'll not only provide you the technical material, he'll himself let you know how to study that material. He'll make you learn that material, mug up that material in the class and the session itself, which is really very good on his part. He guides us in the right direction how to work smartly. And yes, if I can do it, you can do it too.